All right, formation is set and we are getting set up for the light show. Check this out. So we're doing like every other Tesla, and there's at least 200 cars over here right now. And look at this, we got all the Model Ys back here, all the Model 3s, S's, X's. All right, we got brother Ty over here doing his thing. Anything you need? Some help?
We're good.
Talk about being organized. This is the guy right here, man. Seriously, look at this. Wow. This is awesome. And I love the way we're like lined up. It's like every other. This is gonna look so cool. What? Hello, hello.
Yo.
What's going on? This will be maybe on YouTube later on.
All right, sounds good.
Just getting a little behind the scenes, showing everyone how it's done.
Man.
The Maryland guys, man, they know what they're doing.
I know.
I put my trust in them. They're gonna actually pass out USBs
Okay.
a little bit, and
Nice.
I don't know what the songs are gonna be, but I heard it's a pretty cool surprise. So stay tuned.
All right.
Uh-oh. No, he's messing up the formation.
He'll fix it.
No, I'm just
There you
kidding.
go.
All right, I'm gonna run around real quick. I'll be back.
Sure, yeah.
Ooh, skirt!
I know.
Look at this.
Great plate.
Whose license plate is this? They're so smart. That has got to be the best license plate I've ever seen. And this is so cool. As it gets darker, this is just, whose is this, by the way?
It's his.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Killer.
Yeah.
That is so awesome. Seriously, yes. All right, I'm gonna come back around. The never-ending Teslas. All right, formation is getting set. Hello. Make sure you put your Sentry mode on. Yeah, why not? It's gonna make some really cool videos. I mean, you don't have to, but you know, it did last time. Yeah. Put your Sentry mode on. Ooh, whose car is this? Wow, that is awesome. Honestly, I saw someone here last time that had a pink Tesla, but this is new, right? This is a 24. Wow. I'm sure like everyone gets all the looks, I bet. Look at this. Wow. This is the back of the line here. Maryland Tesla's finest doing their thing. And the sun is starting to set. You know what that means. Light show time. The Cybertruck lot. I feel like it's a Tesla dealership.
GT squad, just the light bar, not headlight. Just the light bar. Everybody else?
Look how many people are here. Wow.
Everybody meet up at the front.
A lot of people over here. Wow, look at this. Ton of people.
Cybertruck, license plate IA. Cut on your light bar, please.
All right, more coming. Sun is going down. Light show soon.